Hey, how's it going? In this super quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can tag your very own products on Instagram. Tagging products on Instagram can be super helpful if you are an influencer or you're doing an influencer marketing campaign and you want somebody to promote your product. It allows you to create a dynamic link so that what people are seeing in the photo can actually be purchased right there on Instagram. So how do you do it? Now, this works either way. You can either post a photo and do this while you're posting the photo, or you can go in and you can add a tag after the fact. So you see here, I have this hiking photo of me doing a cool hike. That's great. And I'm wearing a cool little backpack. Now that backpack is from a specific company that makes cool hiking backpacks. So how do you do it? So you see my photo here. If I click on the top right-hand corner, you'll see the 3 dots. I can scroll down until I see edit, and it will allow me to edit the photo. Now you'll see I have options here for people you tagged, alt text, but I'm gonna tag a product. And you see I have the opportunity to tag people, or I have the opportunity to tag products. I wanna tag a product. So I'll click on this, and then I'll just click in the general area of my backpack. I'll click there, and here you go. Now you're gonna have the opportunity to search for the product that you want to put on your Instagram. I'll search for the company that made my backpack. I'll click on their name, and I'll scroll down until I find the backpack. There you go. It's the 16-liter backpack. And then you'll see you have this little tag here right on my backpack. I can hit done. It will save. I'll hit done again. It's gonna save. And then there you go. I've got the tag, the dynamic link built in right there. So you can see now, if you're visiting my post, you can click on the little bottom right-hand corner here and you'll see that there's a product in the photo. It's that cool backpack. Well, if I click on that, it'll make a dynamic link to view it on the website. You can shop on Instagram and you can buy the product right from the post. You know how else you can do that? Well, you can actually schedule all your content on Instagram in advance and use product tags with a great little platform called Agorapulse. Check out a free trial in the description below. Now, hey, if you're watching this and you're wondering how do you actually add products to Instagram so that you can shop there? Well, you have to do something called creating a Facebook shop. I've got another video about that. You can check it out over here. Thanks so much for watching. We got tons of great content coming your way all the time.